are the one who did that.
Don't touch me. Please don't touch me. Okay? Don't touch me again.
It's okay. It's okay. What's your problem?
What you have done, is it professional?
You think for what you have done is professional?
No, Mama, when you say
don't ever tell us what you know.
It's okay. Don't touch me again.
Photos. This is another story.
Oyinza okuloza kuba oli officer nange ndi officer gyendi ssibo.
What is the problem, sir? What do you want to hear?
No, don't touch me again.
No. But that is
what is it going? Njagala yo kumazzi. Ngenda kuddamu kubi. Walese gundi. Njagala yo kumazzi. Ngenda kuddamu kubi. Ngenda gikuwa.
Baba, what they send in Amo? And if they have paid you to do this, it's okay. What's your problem?
What you have done, is it professional?
You think for what you have done is professional?
No, mama mwanyisenguza ati mwe mutwagira.
Don't ever tell us what you know.
Notabyangu mwa kumukwatako oyo. Okoze byonna byonkola myezi 2 years, did all your shit. Don't touch me again.
Photos. This is another story.
Oyinza okuloza kuba oli ofisa. Nange ndi ofisa gyendi sibo.
What is the promise in it? What do you want to hear?
No,
don't touch me again.
no. But that is
Kya moyo kalanze kumukwatako.
Nga bwala buto. Sente nga bwalya nnyingi.
together with Glory and School, also Chief State Attorney, and now office we represent the prosecution. The accused persons are in court, and we shall leave the introduction of Defense Counsel, our senior colleague, Peter Kabas.
I can hold it. Sort out the presentation. Bruce Musinguzi from Kampala Associated Advocates.
The judge, the matter shall be allocated to. Upon committee.
Before you proceed, I pray that you ask that this person the languages they understand before we have the charges read to them. Thank you.
What language do you understand? English. Around?
That is true.
Tony, you're where?
English.
Do you understand? English. Mark Kasiku. The charges shall be read to you. the Ministry of Finance, Planning and Economic Development. Resident of Plot 4, Okoto Crescent, in Kampala, Ugandan, aged 55 years. Commissioner Treasury Services and Accounting Officer, Board 130 in the Ministry of Finance, Planning and Economic Development. Chico Road, Makim Jesava Gabo Municipality, Wakiso District. Planning and Economic Development. A resident of Seguku, Katale Zone, Kajansi Town Council in Wakiso District. Paul Musa in Ministry of Finance, Planning and Economic Development. A resident of Nalia Estate, Shira Division in Wakiso District. Usima Deborah Dorothy, the Ministry of Finance, Planning and Economic Development. A resident of Factory Road in Tindanakawa Division in Kampala District. Juvenile adult Ugandan, aged 43 years. Accountant in the Ministry of Finance, Planning and Economic Development. A resident of Bunamwaya Village, Chadondo Sub.
Your Worship, that this court issues the criminal summons against one President Gomer Peterson, A3, who made his presence before this court practically impossible today. As this would compel him to appear and answer the charges against him. Nonetheless, Your Worship, inquiries in this matter are still ongoing, and in the premises, we seek an adjournment. We so pray, Your Worship.
I am Mukugwe, appearing together with my land colleague, Mr. Daniel Habuma, representing A5. Your Worship, mine is simply a procedure one, that in committal proceedings such as these, under section 168, subsection 13A, ideally of the Magistrates Courts Act, ideally, Your Worship, we should be availed with the indictment and the summary of the case prior to the actual reading of the charges.
Then the ones who are facing that charge, those are the ones to take plea before the High Court. How many people are facing this? How many people are facing that? We don't know. So my prayer is, people who are not facing that charge, you can entertain their plea so that they have a chance of applying for bail. I so pray.
It's a confusion. The prosecution should avail us copies of the charge sheet. This is not, as I understand it, an indictment here.
It's not an indictment.
then we will know who is charged with what. I mean, whether a particular accused person or another is entitled to application for bail.
Whereas it is true that our colleagues on defense are entitled to copies of the charge sheet, it is rational to appreciate that can be executed only if prosecution was prior before the plea in the know of the defense counsel.
The matter today was for reading of charges and not committal. So the charges were read and explained to the accused persons to allow them to know the charges against them. Then after prosecution concludes with the investigations, the accused persons shall be committed to the High Court for trial. On the issue of availing the charge sheet to the accused person or their advocates, the same should be done as they are entitled to know the charges against them. On the issue of taking plea for the other accused persons not charged with money laundering, it is my considered opinion that it is the High Court dressed with the jurisdiction to try money laundering. Thus, this court cannot take plea for the other accused persons as they are jointly charged and joined on the same charge sheet. On the issue of their rights being at stake, the good thing about the Anti-Corruption Court's division is that the High Court sits in the same premises with the Chief Magistrate. Thus, counsel for the said persons can apply for their bail even as early as tomorrow. In the premises, this matter is adjourned for mention and criminal summons are issued for A3. We are further remanding the rest. I'm just mentioning the case. I don't have anything to do. So they will apply to the High Court. The High Court will hear you. You get it. I'm just mentioning your case. 18th.
It is available for prosecution.
Turn to the at 11.
I know. Then I have to go and make sure all of them till they get their
kijja nkubuuzeeko.
Olabe mawega wange.